Huh?
Oh, it's moving.
So there's your ant when it's magnified.
It's moving. Scary ants.
Wait, let's check the butt. Oh.
Ew, dude. The butt. The butt. Wait, it looks like a queen ant. Yeah, it's
So, what can you say about your ant? That's amazing, right?
yeah. Wait, that's
Uy,
opening.
tinan mo, tinan mo.
Yeah, it's moving and closing its mouth.
If we magnify more, let's try.
Huh?
The bigger magnification. The more closer look.
Wait, how
Oh
do you
my God.
magnify it?
You transfer the lens.
So I wonder how hard, how long.
I'm out of here. I'm a play
How
Roblox.
much is a red one?
Oh, you're not interested anymore with the ant.
I'm interested, but I'm out of here.
You can use your eyes like this.
Ako ng
Wait, really? Can you see?
chocolate.
Kay wakan.
Chocolate. I'll give you chocolate.
Chocolate chips.
How do you move this? How do you move this?
No, don't.
Ano mo, i-move mo yung ant?
Yeah.
The glass. You move the glass.
Oh.
Kikita ko.
Is it centered? Kita mo? Kita?
Yung fur. Where's Vivian?
I don't know. In her room? Huh? How hard?
It's gone. It's not in the view anymore. Oh.
Wait. Let me help
There you are, tiny ant. There's the mouth.
Where? The mask.
There.
No.
Are you not interested anymore, Lexi?
Yeah, they're tired of it.
I'm not.
Oh my God, I'm moving it too fast.
Can you move it too?
There's your ant.
I'm not tired.
By the way, why is it dirty?
I don't
It's
know.
dirty again.
Bakit hindi mo natulog?
Where's
Baka
it more?
lobat na. Nalobat. Hold on.
Can we see what's inside? Look, there's Vivian. Yes.
Mm-mm.
Is that for us? Yeah. Yep. Vanilla flavor. Akin is...
Here, look at the
Sa'yo ito,
ano.
sa'yo
There's your ant.
Ah.
Don't ask Mama. I got them.
Here's our little scientists. Here are little scientists having a break.
Patingin.
I-drawing mo yan monster ant.
I can't draw those.
Flip. Here.
Awa na mo. There's nothing.
Anong nating?
White lang.
Oh,
Huh?
I moved it a little bit. Wait.
Where did you see? This is yours. Gusto ko pa.
Gusto mo? Okay. The scientist is asking for a snack. Scientist ka ba paglaki ni Lexi?
Patingin.
No, teacher?
Wait.
There. That's Baguio Choco Flakes. Bro, what's happening? Wala na. Nawala na sa focus.
Wait. No, it's other.
Balik natin. Kasi it's going in the opposite way in a microscope.
Mama, pati ako na lang yung pera.
Ha?
Ako na lang ang pera.
Ano yung mga strips? Ayan oh.
Apple here.
Apple, here's your aunt.
My wallet. Even my wallet. Ako pa.
You put inside your room.
Okay. Oh! Did it pop? Yeah.
Which one?
I accidentally stepped. Is it still alive?
Mm-mm.
Ganyan.
Tingnan mo, binuka niya yung ano niya.
Ako daw. Bacon me.
What is our next experiment?
I want to see Yakult lactobacilli.
Dirt.
I'm too scared to look into the dirt. You might see some really nasty. Nasty.
Can we look into
A milk tea drop.
Yo, that's you're smart! You're smart!
Let's see
Bakit
what
ba
it
yung
really
parang
is.
merong haze? Oh, maybe it's the dirty glass. Oh, come on.
It isn't.
Eat. Bakit ganun malabo eh?
Come
Baka
on.
yung phone ko. Marami. Hindi.
Instead of
Wait, dito ka ikit.
Ate Vivian!
Ada
What
the
is this?
pizza. Can you?
Ate
Yeah, it's
Vivian!
probably
Can you?
this.
What is this? Ikaw?
Oh, hinawakan kasi. Oily nga.
Si baby na yan. No!
Ah, kasi yung mata.
Police, this little kid did a little crime.
Masakit sa tiyan yan, sweetheart.
Mama, this little kid did a little crime.
And
Apo?
No.
Lagay mo, masakit sa tiyan yan eh.
As of jailing her. Which one is the strongest, Titi Ai?
Ay, nako. Sino nagkakalat niyang toilet paper na
Tia!
yan?
Ano siya?
Ayun na yan, nyo?
Mamita, look at this.
With you all around it.
No?
Because-
Tia!
Ano yan? Guyam.
Ay. That's a lot.
Apanas. Mami,
Ang
apanas.
laki pala ng... Ang laki pala ng pangagat niya, ano?
Oo.
Ang sakakatakot ang mukha.
Apple, can you put in a milk tea drop?
Takot ang mukha.
Why?
Ano na nangyayari sa inyo?
It's struggling under the glass. See, ano pa? Interesting ba?
Yes. Wait, what's this?
Okay. For tomorrow's episode,
I got
For
something.
now, we
I got
end.
something. No, okay.
what? What's that? What's that? Water? Huwag na.